The herds are moving far to the south, Era. The Great Cold is coming faster than Torga predicted.
Look, Father! I made it from the bone you found. It looks like the Great One, doesn't it?
The spirits of the ice are restless. We must seek the wisdom of the ancestors before the moon fulls. They lived through the fire and the ice. We will not fall. We are the blood of the Mammoth.
Stay close, Elder. The campfire is not far.
Hush, Arok. Your father has the strength of the mountain. He will find his way.
We are back, Skarn.
Quickly! Get him to the firs! The cold has bitten deep!
The ancestors showed us the path of the sun. The paintings. They were... It is not just the cold we flee, Karen. We follow the life breath of the earth. We move at dawn. The path is clear. To the south, where the sun sleeps. The tracks are fresh here. The Great Ones passed before the storm ended.
Look, Skarn. A piece of the Great One's armor.
The Ice Mountain is older than our fathers, Karen. It remembers when the world was green. The spirits have provided. We will eat tonight.
The stars do not lie, Eira.
We are on the right path. The ice in my bones is heavier today, Karen.
Steady, Arok. Keep your feet beneath your heart.
Something is there. Stay back, Eira. He is the last of his kind in these lands. For those who follow. so they know the way to the sun. Rest now, Torga. The mark is made. Our feet have earned the stillness.
See, Erok? The sun is small now, but it is here with us.
Saber-tooth. It is far, but it is hunting.
My legs have reached their end, Karen. Now, you carry the memory of the tribe. There. The land of the sun. We have arrived. Watch your step. The earth is softer here. It welcomes us.
Mother! Father! Father! The grass is taller than me!
The water carves the stone, little one, like the ice carved our path. Remember the cold, for it made us strong for the heat.
Here. We build here. Under the eye of the great hunter.
They come.
The path held. The tribe lives.
We have walked the ice. Now, we walk the sun.
This stone is better than the mountain flint, Erok. It will bite deep and hold its edge. This one hides in the shade. It heals the stomach when the winter meat is heavy.
The ancestors did not lead us to a land. They led us to a garden. This home will not be moved by the wind. It will stand for Arok's children. The great cold is behind us. Here, we do not just survive. We begin.
The valley grass is soft, but when twisted together, it holds tighter than the mountain sinew.
Do not look at the spear, Arok. Look at where you want it to sleep.
Save some for the basket, little mammoth. The sun has made thee sweet.
The valley is not just ours, Skarn. We must keep the fire bright tonight.
You have the gift of the elders, Arok. You give the stone a voice that will never sleep.
Sleep now. The ice has no power here.
The air is different here, Skarn. It does not bite. It breathes.
Every bird has a song, little mammoth. Like every has a story.
This is no longer a path. This is home.